So, now let's see how we can get the spark plugs out. Should be easy. All we have to do is get the middle cowling, something, the Tupperware off, and the lower one. Get the radiator, unbolt, and get it out of the way. I think it should be an easy job. Let's go. On the right side, and that's that bolt. Yep. Up. It's 8 mil. Now. Oh. Yes. There it goes. Now let's see. Is maar goed ook. Now, we got the radiator out of the way. One bolt, 2 bolts. Slide it to the left side of the bike and then lower it. Be sure to get a towel on the spot board, the fender thing here. And now we see over there the spark plugs. So before we're gonna unplug them, I'm gonna mark them. 1, 2, 3, and that one is 4. Ah, easy. We spray. I always spray them a bit with silicone spray. So the second one, up like this. Then we have to spray first. Up, off, haha. Now wiggle it a little bit around. One to go. Ta-da. Ta-da-da-da-da. Ladies and gentlemen. Even kijken. This one. Hopefully you can see it. First wiggle it a bit around so the silicone spray can get in. Okay, then we try to get the connector off. Yes. Up. Then cut it out. This bike can compete with an Italian bike, an Aprilia RSV, yeah, RSV 1000. I think this one is, but then again, we have them out. Job done. Not that easy, but doable. Now, what we first do is get the my pressed air and blow in the spark plug holes to get the debris out, which I'm sure there is. Even kijken, boys. Zo, even kijken of dat we het vanaf hier een beetje op kunnen zien. Zo, daar is hij. Nou, hello. Over there are the spark plugs. Let's get them out. Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh. Hop. This is my best. So good. Up. Yes. Up. So, wow. Yep. So, last one out. So, we've got the spark plugs out. Was it easy? No. Is it doable? Yeah. What's the biggest problem? Well, if you can speak of problems. I think you need time. First, easy. Get all the Tupperware at the lower side off, so you can wiggle the radiator loose from his mountings and then lower it, and then you get a view at the spark plug bobines, how you call them, don't know. I always spray silicone spray around it, the rubber, so you can wiggle it around, and then they always comes easy out of the cylinder head. That's the first thing. Then, to get the spark plugs out, I used, as you saw, this one. You can wiggle it around the edge. This is just long enough. It's great. Then I had the ratchet to break them loose. And then I have this one. This is a real great ratchet. This is a ratchet you can use as the normal, see? But you can also, look, get it like this. So if you are in a tiny spot you have not enough room, so first try to break it loose, and when it's already somewhat loose you can use this one and you wiggle them out. So, as I said up front, these have been in for a really long period of time. I already saw it on the air filter, made a video out of that too. And these are the spark plugs. You can see on the grime and the oxidation that they have been in for a very long time. So that was it for today.